Hi, we will show you the HBK-R03 remote control switch in this video. High-performance 8-bit MCU. This device adopts 8-bit MCU to ensure stable performance, and the low power circuit makes the service life longer. Power relay. Built-in power relay with 10 ampere switching capacity provides an excellent switching performance. How to wire. If connected to access control system, firstly connect the positive 12 volts and GND to the corresponding terminals of the power supply. Secondly, connect the COM to the GND. Lastly, connect the NO to the push. Wired to LED lamp. Please connect the positive 12 volts and GND to the corresponding terminals of the input power supply. Connect the COM terminal to the load power, the NO terminal to the LED lamp. Don't forget to connect the other pole of the power supply and the load as well. The HBK-R03 can also control the fan, water pump, etc. How to operate. Pair the remote control. Press the pair button on remote receiver once, the LED light flashes green quickly. Press the button on the transmitter within 20 seconds. The number of the transmitter that can be paired is up to 40. This device supports 3 operating modes. Toggle, momentary, latched. Momentary. Press and hold button A for on, release button A for off. Toggle. Press button A for on, press button A again for off. Latched. Press button A for on, press button B for off. The operating mode is set by the jumper connector. Unpairing. Press and hold the pair button on remote receiver 8 seconds until green light off. Now all memory cleared. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to seeing you next time.